Mustard Okra Rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the mustard recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the okra recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes. Today we are going to make mustard okra rice. The ingredients are around 200 grams of okra cut into pieces, around 3 green chillies, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 1 sprig of curry leaves and 1 onion cut into pieces, and 1 tomato cut into pieces, 15 shallots cut into pieces. The pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Now put in the okra. Salt the okra. Put in the shallot. Start the flame itself again. Sauce until the okra loses its mucinous. Now the mucin from the okra has disappeared, and now this can be kept aside after taking off the flame, and this can be further used to make the stew. Heat the pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. put in the ginger, salt, ginger, put in the garlic, salt, ginger and garlic again. Now put in the pieces of one onion, salt, of the onion pieces, sauteing. Now put in the chili, mix, thoroughly saute and mix. Keep on sauteing. Now put in the tomato pieces, keep on salt. Put in salt taste. Mixed spices, mix thoroughly. Now put in the okra and the shallots that we sauteed earlier into this mixture. Put in a spoon of mustard paste, thoroughly mix. Pour in 200 ml of water, mix, and let this mixture cook for 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in the washed and soaked rice, 1 cup. Mix and let this mixture cook for 5 more minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the mustard okra rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mustard okra rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the okra recipes and one of the most unique of the mustard recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.